Overswiped is a YouTube channel dedicated to personal finance and cryptocurrency. The channel's purpose is to deliver knowledge on how to be successful in both areas. Overswiped's mission statement is to assist people in achieving financial independence through education, self-development, and investing. Financial independence is a condition of being in which you have enough money to live on without working for the rest of your life. Everyone can do it, but it takes some sacrifice and hard work. Overswiped's mission is to provide personal finance news and information, as well as advise on how to manage your own finances. Overswiped isn't your typical finance channel. Overswiped attempts to take a different approach than standard side channels by teaching lessons in the topic matter rather than providing straight-up advice. Overswiped wishes to assist people in developing an understanding of why financial decisions are made in order for them to make better choices for themselves. There's a lesson on how money works, for example, that discusses inflation and deflation in basic terms that anyone can comprehend. Another video on compound interest and retirement savings explains how investing even $5 per week early in life can help you be financially independent later in life if allowed to grow properly. The channel features a wide range of videos, each of which covers a number of personal finance subjects. Along with the courses, there is a wealth of cryptocurrency and stock market news and commentary. Overswiped seeks to educate our viewers on how these financial indicators work in order for them to make informed judgments when entering the market. The Overswiped crew believes that financial literacy and knowing your money can lead to greater happiness and stability. Therefore, they're on a mission to deliver unbiased advice on all things money to the rest of the globe. Our movies cover a wide range of issues, including credit card debt and budgeting, as well as taxes and investing. Overswiped is committed to teaching anyone interested in learning more about money management the fundamentals of budgeting, investing, and retirement planning, among other things.